Hey everyone, this is Shruti from Sweet and Sour, and today I'm going to make burgers. I will be making chicken and veg burgers both, but both for different videos. So don't forget to check out my another video on veg burger also, because this video is for chicken burger. And yes, of course, I know that everyone know how to make burgers nowadays, but style of making is different with every person. So if you want to follow my own style, you have to check out this video. So let's see how to make this chicken burger. So let's make the patties first. For making patty, I have taken here the minced chicken. I have added salt and pepper to marinate it. We doesn't need any other masalas. So just mix it and then add mashed potato. Okay, I have taken one big potato. Okay, so I'm adding the mashed potato. Then you have to add the oregano if it is available. If it is not available, then no issues, leave it. And then into this I'm going to add this chili flakes, okay, and the corn flour. Just make the mix and keep it aside. So next I'm going to make the maida slurry for that binding purpose of my patties. So here I have taken the maida and I have added water into it to make a runny batter out of it. Done. After this we'll make the patties. For making the patty, I am actually making big size of patties so that it will match the diameter of my burger buns. So here I have taken a big ball out of it and just pat it on my palms. Okay, in this way you have to make a big patty. And now I'll just dip it in the maida slurry like this. Be careful, otherwise it will break. And then put it into the flour, maida flour, again into the slurry, and finally coat it with the breadcrumbs. Done. So my first patty is ready. I'm going to make another patty the same way. Okay. So all my patties are now ready. I'm going to keep it in the freezer for around 1 hour. So now my pan is hot. I've added oil into it. Now I'm going to put the patties one by one because my pan is small in size. So next I'm gonna put this lid on because chicken needs to cook from inside also. Then flip it to the another side. Cook it the same way. Once both the side turns brown and inside the chicken is completely cooked, take it on the oil paper. So the same way I will cook my another patties also, but now I am going to toast my burger buns. So here I have cut the burger buns into 2 pieces and now just going to toast it with butter. Okay, so like this. So here my buns are completely toasted now. I'm going to take it out and let's assemble it. So first I'm taking this bottom part of the burger. Now I'm going to add this pizza sauce. So if you doesn't have a pizza sauce, you can just take a chili sauce, red chili sauce and your ketchup, tomato ketchup. Mix both of them together and then apply that sauce onto the bottom part of your burger. Just spread this sauce on this bun like this. Okay, spread it quite nicely. I like this sauce, so I am taking it generously. Then put the patty which we had made, and now the cheese slice. Okay, onto it I'm going to add this onion and tomatoes like this. I'm using only tomato and onion. I'm not using lettuce because it is just not available here. Due to lockdown now, so many vegetables are not available. So I'm using only tomatoes and onions. Okay. If you have lettuce, then it's well and good, you can use it. And then I'm adding this mayonnaise to the top part of the burger bun. So this is done. I'm going to make another one the same way. If you liked it, make it at your home and enjoy.